Hello, welcome to our first development virtual desktop for process safety cards. We recently launched the concept which intended to put process hazard or major accident knowledge into the hands of those who could create or be affected by loss of containment. And we must recognise the potential for digital solutions to allow remote personnel to collaborate. So we're working up this solution just now. It's not perfect, but hopefully this demonstration gives you an idea of what is possible with a digital platform. So what we have here is we've got a set of 52 process safety cards, a deck of cards. Each one shows a different loss of containment scenario or top event. In this example here, we've got 4 different players who are all logged on to this virtual room. So if we deal, you'll see that each player now has 7 cards. You can decide how many cards each player gets. You can decide how many decks you have, 1 deck, 2 decks, etc. Really simple approach is each player gets a card. You all turn over your cards. Whoever's got the lowest card has to talk about the event, the incident that that card illustrates. So quite simply, 4 players. We can create more players to suit, but 4 players here on this table. Player 1 draws down their hand, and you can see at the bottom, this is the hand that they've been dealt. So we've got a range. Hearts, we're calling discharge. Clubs, damage. Spades, degradation, and diamonds are deviation. So that's player 1's hand. As I said, that's 7 cards. Player 2 can also draw down their hands, but players 1, 3 and 4 don't see what player 2's got. Player 3 can also draw down their hand, and then finally player 4 draws down their hand. So whoever you are, player 1, 2, 3 or 4, you only see your hand. You can then play your card, put your card on the table. Initially it can be face down or face up to suit. So player 1 has put a card on the table. Player 2 now puts a card on the table. Player 3 puts a card on the table. And player 4 is putting their cards on the table. So now we've all played our cards, and we can click on them and turn them over. So depending whether aces are high or low, player 1 has either won or lost. 2, 3 and 4 are in the middle range. So again, you can use this however you want to play cards, whether you want to play poker, whether you want to play blackjack, other games like Crazy Eights or Chase the Ace. You would play it exactly the same way that you would normal card games. This is just done absolutely remotely. You can also look at the value of the cards. So 2 through 10 are Jack 10, Jack King, Queen are worth 10. Ace can be 1 or 11 to suit. And then once you've played your game, you pull them all in again and start again. Another deal. Everybody draws down their hand. Player 1 has now got a different hand. Player 2 will do the same. Player 3 will do the same. they can only see their hand, and then player 4. So that's the current phase of our development. We hope this is going to be of interest and some use to you, and please have a look at the website, and we look forward to your ideas. Thank you.